Hi, I'm John with the John Quinn Team. Today's video is on the pros and cons of an open house. Open houses have been a tool for real estate agents for generations. Before the internet, an open house was one of the few ways that you could go out and see the inside of a home that was for sale without having to schedule an appointment with a real estate agent. Well, pretty much those days are over because you can see the inside of a house just by going on the internet. Some of the drawbacks about having an open house is you have a lot of unescorted, unqualified buyers coming through your house. And if you don't watch them, boy, they can get into your medicine cabinets and they can look through your house, and a lot of real estate agents won't have control over where everybody is out in the house. And you just get tire kickers going through your home. One of the advantages of having an open house is that you get people who may be on the fence about buying a house, and then they come out and they take a look at your house and go, wow, I really like this house and I want it. And it may actually produce a sale for you. Ultimately, having an open house is going to be your personal decision about what you want to do. We have found in the past that open houses on houses that are close to busy roads get a lot of attention. Houses that are on really long streets way deep in the neighborhood generally don't get as much traffic. But either way, you do know that you're going to get a little bit more exposure on your house, and so the choice is up to you. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. If I can ever be of service, please call me at 591-8100. Thank you.